Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. To do that, you're going to need to open Settings on your tablet if you have access to your system. Then scroll down to System and open this menu. Now, before you perform a factory reset, go to Backup and make sure to back up all the important data you have on your device to your Google Cloud. To do so, tap Backup Now right here, enter your device's PIN code, and wait until the backup is finished. Now, I'm not gonna wait so that I can show you the next steps right away. Now, once the backup is finished, go to Reset Options and select Erase All Data, then confirm by tapping Erase All Data once again, then re-enter your PIN code and finish your factory reset operation. So that's how you would do it if you have an access to the system. But if you do not have access to the system, you're gonna have to perform factory reset operation through the recovery mode. To access it on this tablet, you're gonna have to press power button and volume up key at the same time. Then select power off option. Alternatively, you can also force shut down your device by holding down power button and volume down key for about 10 seconds until the screen of your device goes off. And once it goes off, you have to press and hold power button, both volume up keys at the same time. And while holding them down, press the power button and keep pressing it until you see the DOOGEE logo on your screen. Once it appears, you have to release the power button. Now you have to make sure that your device doesn't vibrate during this process. If it does, your device will most probably just reboot normally to the system again. And you're gonna have to try again until you reach this menu. So here you will be able to navigate using volume keys and select with the power button. This way we're gonna have to scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power button to confirm. Now, to confirm wiping all user data from your tablet, you have to scroll down to Factory Data Reset, press power button to confirm, and then press power button once again once you return to this main page to select Reboot System Now, and wait until your device is restarted. Now, this restart might take a while, so I recommend keeping your device charged during this process. And wait until the factory reset is finished. And once you end up on this page, this means that the factory reset is now finished. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.